Hello guys, today welcome back to another episode. How to do mid fade, how to do a clean mid fade with a crispy lineup. Guys, today we are coming to do brace on mid fade. Guys, here is the before. So guys, we are coming to do mid fade. So here I'm brushing the hair down to the direction I want to do the fade. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up. Here, let's begin. We are about to do a mid fade tutorial, step by step mid fade tutorial to help any upcoming beginner barbers out there. Like, comment and share. Here, let's begin. I go all over with my Babyliss trimmer to create the first guideline, which is guideline 0. Our third guideline 0. I go all over with my Babyliss trimmer bulk line, creating my first bulk line 0. I go all over with my Babyliss trimmer. Guys, here I come with my clipper level fully open, flicking up 1 inch of it. Yeah, my clipper level fully open, flicking 1 inch up. Yeah, 1 inch up. Yeah, we are doing mid fade, so we make sure. Here I come with my comb 1 level fully open, flicking up also 1 inch of it. Yeah, this is the step by step how you can get a clean fade of mid fade. Yeah, here I'm flicking it up motion, which is the comb 1 level fully open. So guys, let's move to the other side. After using my comb 1, everything, here I come with my clipper level fully closed, moving half an inch of it to clean the first guideline we did with the Babyliss trimmer to create our first bulk line. So we go with our clipper level fully closed, flicking it up half an inch. We open 0.1, open, also flicking it up motion. Yeah, flicking it up motion. Here clipper 0.3 open, flicking half an inch of it. Guys, yeah, this is the step-by-step tutorial I use for my mid fade. Yeah, guys, here I come with my half guard level fully closed, flicking it half an inch of it to make sure it doesn't go too much up to create any guideline again. Yeah, I'm going all over with my half guard, flicking it up motion. Yeah, to clean the detail line, which was the clipper fully open. Yeah, so the half guard helped me to clean that side. Here I'm doing it flicking down motion. So here guys, we are coming to do the lineup, the trimming lineup. So guys, here I start from the middle and I move to the right side. I take my time. I don't want to do a pushback, so guys, I take my time, move to the right side of it. I make sure I don't do a pushback. Yeah, because my clients have already a pushback. Yeah, so I don't want to do a pushback. Here I come to the left side also. I repeat whatever I did on the right side. I apply the same step also on the left side. So here guys, I was doing a design. Yeah, I was doing a 2 stripe of design. Yeah, I'm doing a 2 stripes of design, guys. So here, after I'm done with the design, I come with my what? Half guard, level fully closed, flicking down motion for me to get actual blend I want for me to clean all the gas line between the bulk line and the clipper level fully open. Guys, after we are done with our half guard flicking down motion, I go with my clipper level fully closed. Level fully closed. Moving step by step. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, yeah, after everything, I'm going with my hair fiber. My hair fiber to make the lineup look more crispy and sharp. Yeah, to make the lineup look more crispy. Yeah, I go with my what? Fiber.
I'm waiting for the drop.
Yeah, I move to the other side of it also. I use the same method I use on what? My right hand side. Also repeat the same thing on what? My left hand side. Okay guys, here I need to take all the unnecessary hair fiber which was placed on his face. I need to go all over with my babyliss trimmer to make the lineup look more crispy. So here I'm doing a detail work. You see guys, here I'm doing a detail work for it to look more crispy and sharp. So guys, you see, I'm going all over to make my work look more detailed and clean and to look more also crispy. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Yeah, your boy Sharp Barber. I'm here to do step-by-step tutorial for you. Guys, look at the outcome of the work. Here I come with my holding spray. I go with my holding spray to spray on the hair fiber to make the hair fiber stuck on the hair. So guys, yeah, look at the outcome of the fade, the mid fade, guys. This is what the step by step mid fade tutorial. Guys, check it out. Check it out. See the outcome. See the outcome, guys. Yeah, this guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. I want to see you in my next video.